Hello. Today's topic is Teams. How to turn that meeting room into a lobby first. And we've got a bonus, Polly and Praise. I'm your host, Wendy Vasquez, with QUEZ Instruction. So the first thing I did was go into my Microsoft Teams. These are all the teams that I am a part of or I created myself. I'm going to go into my music class right now. These are all of my grade levels, children that I support with music. So I want to create, let's say, second grade. I need a Teams meeting for second grade. So I'm going to come up here and I have two choices. I have meet now or schedule a meeting. I'm going to schedule a meeting. It's important that I do the schedule a meeting first. So I'm going to call it second grade music meeting. I'm going to go ahead and schedule it for the time that I'm going to meet with them. So I meet with them at 9 a.m. There it is, for 30 minutes. You'll see here it's in my music class and it is for second grade, and I'm going to go ahead and send. Now what that send did was it sent it into my chat right here with my second grade channel. If I click on my first grade channel, you'll see there's no chat, there's no meeting there, nothing in first grade, nothing in third grade, but here's my second grade meeting that we're going to have. Now that it's here, I can come over here to the three little dots, three blueberries, click on those and view the meeting details. What happens is down here, where is it? Here we go. In the description box, I have the meeting details, but I also have this one, meeting options. If I click on the meeting options, that's what's going to give me my lobby. So I'm going to go ahead and join. And I'm here by myself right now. I'm going to click my three blueberries, more options, show meeting details. It shows them on the side, and I'm going to click meeting options here. This opens a brand new world for me where I can create different things that I want here. Who can present? It's just going to be me. I'm going to present, and I can change that up if I want to. Who can bypass the lobby? You know what? Only me. I'm the only one that can bypass the lobby. This means that anybody with that link is going to be sitting in the lobby waiting for me to allow them to enter my room. So if they show up a little bit early, I won't have a problem. Now I said I was going to give you a bonus. Here's the bonus. I'm going to come into the chat. Now as the organizer or as the presenter, I have a lot more powers than my students do or any attendees might have during my meeting. You can see that the chat, here's that link that was placed in the chat before. And here is where I can actually type, good morning. My students can type back and forth to me. They will talk to each other in the chat. But here's a couple things that I don't know if you knew about. Down here, you do have your emojis, right? And I'm sweating it a little bit. I also have some GIFs right here. Let's say like her. Let's do that guy. And I have here they go, messaging extensions. If I click there, I get all these apps. I can click on more apps. It's going to give me a lot more apps, but I want to show you Polly. Polly is a great way to take the temperature of the room, ask a question. I'm going to use the free account. I'm not going to sign up for a free account. I'm going to create a new question. I can do polls or surveys. Go ahead and play with this. I can do multiple choice, open-ended, rating. I'm just going to do a multiple choice. And I can say, who's the best? Whoops, best. Is it Wilma or Fred? And I can allow for multiple votes. I can have the audience add choices. I like to turn off my comments. I don't want them to comment sometimes on the poll itself. I like it in real time. I can make it anonymous or non-anonymous. I want to know who said what. I'm going to hit preview. That's what it'll look like. And I'm going to hit send. What this does is it's going to pop up right here in real time. So now if I look at the chat, I'm just going to jump over to the chat real quick so I can see it. Here is our Polly, and the kids can come in and give their answer. I can also answer. I think Wilma's the best. And the students can go ahead and do that. The other thing I wanted to share with you, and it's back here in the chat, I'm going to click on praise. Praise is exactly that. It is a way to give a badge or a sticker to somebody for something that they said or did. I can actually, I'm going to have to give it to myself. No. Well, there's no one in the chat with me right now, but you can give a personalized note, and I'll show you what one looks like. Here's one that I gave to a friend, Michelle, who was in one of my other trainings. And you can see I covered up her name to keep her anonymity. But this is what one of the praise stickers will look like. Not this large. I've enlarged it for our video. Well, this is usually the part where I say thank you for staying for our video that was under 5 minutes, but our nickel clip went a little bit longer. We did get the bonus of Polly and praise, and that's just one way or two ways that you can have that student engagement. This was Meeting Room Lobbies in Teams, Microsoft Teams, with Wendy Vasquez, your host from QU Easy Instruction. Thank you. Have a nice day.